Hi and welcome to Beautiful Within. So off late, a lot of you have been asking me what I'm doing for my hair because they are looking a little more frizz-free and they're looking a little softer. They have actually softened. So I thought I'll be sharing what I'm currently doing. I am using apple cider vinegar. As most of you would know, apple cider vinegar is like the panacea for all your hair queries, for frizzy hair, dry hair, damaged hair, anything. Mostly people use it as a conditioner because I don't mostly have that much time every day to condition my hair. I mostly use it as a hairspray, a little bit of a diluted form. So I'll be sharing that kind of a hairspray with you. This kind of hairspray, because you're adding vinegar in it, can stay for about a month if you store it well in a cool and dry place. If you store in the refrigerator, you can take it for 2 months as well, but not more than that because we are not adding any other preservatives, of course. And I would say that this gets emptied very easily, so you would not take that much time to empty. It's a very basic hairspray. So let's get started. So we don't need much for the video. We need some bit of purified water. This is regular water that you would take from any, let's say, Bisleri or any that kind of water from the AquaGuard as well. You need a bit of lavender oil. You need a bottle like this. This is preferably a glass spray bottle would do. There are a little bit of lavender flowers that I've sterilized the bottle with. As you can see, you can take any essential oil of your choice, not necessarily lavender. I use lavender as well. And you need some bit of apple cider vinegar. Getting started now. Please take a glass tumbler, and add a little bit of up to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in it. This much of apple cider vinegar, this should be 2 tablespoons. This is good enough. You can actually measure it with a tablespoon, or you can use regular approximation as well. Please pardon my voice, as you know I have a bad cold. Then I'm adding 10 drops of lavender oil in it, just to mask the smell of apple cider vinegar. You can add more than 10 as well. I've added a little bit more. You can use any essential oil of your choice. I use lavender, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then just shake it a little. You can just shake it with your hands. You don't need a stirrer to shake it. Then please use your glass spray bottle. If you do not have a glass spray bottle, you can put it in a regular spray bottle as well. There's no pressure per se. But a glass spray bottle is always nice to have. It'll be a little messy, so please cover your tray with a little bit of a cloth or something. That's it. It has taken this much of the bottle. The rest of the bottle you can fill with purified water. That's it. You can see the dried lavender flowers also in it. I had sterilized the bottle with lavender flowers, which I got from a local market, which is why the thing. Shake it a little, and this is your spray. This is your hairspray. So as you can see, my spray is ready in a glass bottle. You can spritz it just like that on your hair, and then post which you can comb your hair, or you can leave it at night as well. You can leave it easily at night, or even go out after using it, 5 to 10 minutes after using it. Because of the lavender oil, the smell is actually very much masked. So I'm just spritzing it like this. If you can see, there's actually a very good smell of lavender coming out of it. Can be stored for a month, this much. You don't need more than 2 to 3 spritz of this, post which you can comb your hair. The frizziness actually goes with it. So hopefully you like this video, and if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up. Do try this at home because it's very easy to make. As you saw, it takes 2 minutes actually to make it, but it's very effective, and it's very good for health, very good for the health of your hair. Thank you very much for watching Beautiful Within. Have a nice day. Bye bye.